After the carnage comparison. Dun 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 dun!
Alright, just going to give y'all a quick head-to-head. If you were ever sitting there wondering how the comparable difference on the 7mm-08 Hornady Whitetail 139 grains compared up to the 350 Legend Winchester Super X 180 grain bullets, which someone out there is going to sit there and say,
you can't do that. That's comparing apples to oranges, which an apple is more solid than an orange is more juicy than an apple. I just compared apples to oranges.
But here we go. We're doing it. So here we got the expansion. They're looking pretty close on the bullets. Both came out nicely through my tables, Lena. Both got a nice looking dome going on those right there, if you were wondering. And again, on the 350 Legend, it opened up to a point 65, 66, and on the 7mm-08, we actually got it opened up to 0.6. It was I guess whenever I did that last video, I had it at a closer spot together, but yeah, 0.6. I mean, really, you can get away with 0.64 on there. So a lot more narrow bullet, a lot more oomph behind it, but almost the same type of expansion going on with that. So if you're ever wondering what these two look like, or would compare head to head, if you were looking to go straight wall with a 350 Legend, or if you were looking for the little mighty 7mm-08, that's what it's looking. If these were two of your choices and wondering, they're almost the same. Now granted, the 350 Legend that just made it at the start of the third set of blue jeans, pair of blue jeans, and the Hornady, the 7mm-08 almost made it out the third set of blue jeans. So yeah, that's you know, you got more oomph behind it on the Hornady than you do on these. But if you're looking for a good solid straight wall cartridge, deer hunting around, I mean, honestly, you're not going to go wrong with either one. You're going to do a good job. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, and then the weights. Sorry, I'm off my game. We got a retention of roughly 176 on the 350 Legend, right around there. The wind's blowing. And then we have the 126, 127 on the 139 grain. So there you are. Not too shabby. Thanks.